Welcome to part 2 of this Digger tutorial series. Last episode we made our first flow and viewed some seismic. This time, before going too far into the features of Digger, we'll discuss a few more of the fundamental user interactions with the flow environment. Selecting modules is done with techniques familiar from other software. Clicking on a single module will select it, and shift-clicking will add to the selection. However, we're often interested in a set of modules that are already grouped together. We can do this by pressing S for select mode and drawing a box. Yet one more approach is to press S while hovering over a module. This will select the module and all of the other modules connected to it by pipes. Speaking of pipes, we have discussed one method of joining modules together, which is to go into joining mode by pressing J. However, some situations would require many joins. In this situation, it's easier to select all of the modules we would like to join together and press Ctrl J and allow Digger to try to automatically do it for us. Breaking pipes can be done in a few ways. Clicking on the ports that they are connected to will do the job, or else Ctrl B on a module will break all of the connected pipes. Moving selected modules is done by pressing G for grab mode. Once in this mode, there is no need to press the mouse and drag. Simply moving the mouse will move all of the selected modules until we settle on a position and finish by clicking. While the module or modules are moving, you will see a red box in the background. This shows us the landing position of the module. This snapping behavior helps us to keep things aligned. Despite this, Digger is very flexible, and it's easy to start making a bit of a mess. If and when you do end up with a flow that's become untidy, we can neaten it back up again by pressing A while hovering over one of the connected modules. This will attempt to align everything again. Lastly, copy, cut and paste interactions are available. To demonstrate some of the skills that we've learnt so far, we will now undertake a little exercise that you can follow along with. Firstly, we're going to read some SegWire data as in the first lesson. Then we're going to apply some conditional processing using the fork module. We'll send all of the traces with the trace header CHAN less than 460 to a stream on the left. On that stream, we'll shift those traces down by 100 milliseconds. All other traces will go to the right and they'll be shifted up by 200 milliseconds. We need to join the streams back together again before another splot to see what we've achieved. And running the flow shows us before in the left-hand tab and after in the right. Hopefully this exercise has given you the chance to try out some of the interactions and also provided a teaser for some of the things that are possible with Digger. Next time we will discuss the data flow concepts that are important for understanding what's going on behind the scenes with the flow that we've just created.